Hello there, my name is Joran Barre from the Activity team, and I'll now demonstrate to you what you get after downloading Activity. Just a bit of context before we get going. On the left side I have here a terminal window open in which I've just unzipped the Activity distribution from activity.org website. Now, one of the goals of Activity is to get you started as quickly as possible. And since we know that the average attention span of people nowadays is pretty limited, we'll give ourselves exactly 1 minute to convince you guys. Okay, let's get going. So, what we call the Activity experience, it's all about one circular keys and demo start in your terminal window, and you get the Activity database schema installed in your database, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, and many others, or we install a database for you if you don't have one. We populate it with demo data and demo processes. Very good examples and well-written documentation, if I say so myself. We also install an Apache web server on which we install the Activity Explorer application for task management with Activity, Activity Probe for system administration of your Activity instances, the Activity Modeler, which allows you to model your BPM and 2 processes in your browser, Activity Cycle for BPM collaboration done right, the Activity REST API to remotely communicate with Activity regardless of your technology, and the Activity Kickstart application, which allows you to define your process on the fly. And it's all done, as you can see on the left, so that gives us 10 seconds to tweet to the world that, hooray, the Activity demo setup runs in less than 1 minute. And it's out there. So we still have 3 seconds left, and you can use those 3 seconds to applaud. Thank you. Okay, so now to prove that this is not bogus and this is not pre-recorded, let me just log in into the application and boot up the other applications. There we go. So, as you can see, this is Activity Explorer for task management. So you can see we have the demo process installed, for example, the expense process. So we can start an expense process, go to our tasks, and see, indeed, it's all working. We have the Activity Modeler, which allows you to model your process in the browser. We also have Activity Kickstart, which allows you to define your process on the fly. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching, and until next time.